Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 14th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla closed down $7.90 at 968.51. I'm too late now to see the post-market numbers for now. So let's look at what we have on the chart. So we have a green candle, a little bit of a longer wick at the bottom than at the top. So showing a little bit more buying pressure. We closed at 958.51, which is a little bit higher than our support at 956. So we are barely holding on to 956. And I drew this resistance right here. This is the resistance that has been in place since December 1st. So unless we break this, then we are still in this bearish trend. Next stop, if we continue to go down, we have a next stop at 899.04. This is where we could go, and that would in fact make Tesla close this gap up that it had exactly on October 25th. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to see if we cannot understand something more. So 930 was right here. So 930, we opened below the 956 support, went and tried to get above it and could not get above it. Second hour came down, then we went down, stabilized, then came back up, and look at this candle here. Nice green candle coming back over 956, but we already had this resistance at 968 and we could not break it. And now we are back down to close to 956. In terms of indicators, stochastic at 31. So this move up does not change the mind of stochastic as to the downtrend that the stock is in. What else? We have a MACD breakover bullish. So that's the only positive sign in terms of the indicators right here. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators also here. So stochastic at 10, still trending down. RSI is still trending down, and the MACD is still going down, and DMI is still going bearish and even more bearish. Two numbers that we need to think about, this 899 and this resistance right here. So unless we break this resistance, we are still in the downtrend. If we break it, then we are going to start looking at the indicators for confirmation of that break. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.